Neat. And here, we'll go to the other side. Use some of this oil. So these are full. 10 weight. Back then, that's all they had was 10 weight. No. So 10W, so 10 winter, I guess. Is that what that stands for? Just straight 10 weight. Oh, there's some old spark plugs I didn't notice till now. Auto lights. Cool. Oh yeah, there's a shoe under here. Old shoe. Check this out. What's that say? Something foot. And there's this. What's that for? One of the, maybe the gas pedal. It's brand new, whatever it is. That's cool. And there's some. Is that a ruler? Oh yeah, it is a ruler too. Pretty neat. So we're gonna have to clean that out. Then there's some old lights, and the jack is right there. Looks like the jack handle's here too. Is that part of the seat? Looks like the jack handle. Yeah, that's what that is. So yeah, pretty neat. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna eventually. Oh, there's an old wrench. Yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna clean this thing out. I'll get rid of this mouse crap and stuff, and then we'll be able to see what's going on there.